Hi guys, this is a short tutorial. I just want to share with you how you can create a drip like this and drip like that to add into your profile, to add into your images or photos, content using Canva. So without any further ado, let's do this. So now we're here in Canva and I'm going to show you guys how you can apply a drip into your profile, into your image, photos, and other contents that you want to create. So let's go here, let's go to home, and then I'll create a blank presentation. So here you have this one, and what we're going to do here is we're going to upload your image. Now I'm going to use this one, and what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to erase the background. Alright, so now while removing the background remover, we're going back to the elements. Okay, so now we're not here anymore. So I'm going to make a little bit bigger, guys, so you can see. And then we're going to the elements, and then we're going to find some drips. Okay, just type the drip, and you see it will give us a lot of drips that you wanted to use. So for example, I want to use this one. So I'm going to fit this one into this here, and then I'm going to position this into backwards, okay, so that you can see my face. Alright, so now there you go. So as you see, that's a drip, right? So it's all in me, and if you want to add more drips here, you can choose a lot of drips here to add to your profile. Or if you want to change, you want to use this one, what you're gonna do is just to, okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and then if you change your mind, you want to use this strip, just, you know, stretch here and then position it to backwards so that your picture is here. All right, so if you want to add more of this, or you want to change the drips, okay, like example this one, I want to change this one to this, I'm gonna delete this one, and then we just, you know, resize this one, just drag this here to occupy all the walls so that you have a background, then position it to backwards so that your picture is in here. So this is the drips that you want to, if you want to add to your profile or to your thumbnails, you can also use this one. And if you want to add more of this, like let's say you want this one, we can just put it here and like this. You know, you can always create a design that you want to. And what else that we have in here? Just keep on scrolling, guys, and you will find a lot of you know, dripping here, or drips here. You can find a lot of drips here into this elements. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. Okay, so then if you keep on scrolling, there's so many elements here that you can use. They have numbers, they have letters. You can create a name using drips, and there you go. There is some letters here that you can use to create your content or names if you want to use drip for your names. So yeah, so these are the yeah, so these are the drips that you can use to add into your photo, to your pictures, or to your images if you want to. Yeah, but you can always play with it and change if you want to change the background of your drips. Alright, so now I'm going to change this one again. I think I want to use, what about this one? So you see, I'm going to delete this one first, and then if you want to use this one, like, you know, a droplets or a water kind of like that, you just go to the position, put it in a backward, and then you will see here is, you know, but you can make this a little bit smaller if you want to, but you just want to show the driplets, right? So you can always create a design. So you can always create a design to what kind of drip that you want by scrolling down here on the elements, and then just type the keyword drips, and it will give you a lot of drip elements that you want to use for your design. Okay, good. I think I want this one too. Okay, I can change this one and then just use this one. I just try to resize this one and just drag this one down here, and then I'm gonna position this to backwards. If you want to put your image into the frame, so you want to, okay, let's go to the elements. If you want to design your thumbnails, you can always go here and like create a frames, and then it will give you a lot of frames here that you can use to make my picture somewhere, not a straight like that. So you can, here you can scroll down and you can choose a lot of frames if you want to put your pictures somewhere inside of the frames. Okay, I'm gonna use this frame, then I'm gonna position it to the backward so that you can see my face. Here is my face inside of the frame. So you can play with these guys and keep on putting your image into the frame, or if you want just like that. So you can always create a design. If you want to include it to your thumbnails, projects, or YouTube videos, just go to Canva, type the keyword drip, and then you can add it to your, you can make a design. Just take your time to play with it, and then you're good to go. So thank you so much. This is a short tutorial on how to create a drip into your images, how to include, how to apply drips if you want to. And I hope this helps, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and help me to grow up this channel. See you next time, and bye-bye.